है आज?
बहुत सारी चीज़ें खास है. I'm not going to reveal this to you right now, but you can wait and watch and enjoy the whole show, enjoy the clothes, enjoy the whole concept, and I think it's a very sweet concept and it's very, very very dear to me.
नीता, बॉलीवुड और फैशन हमेशा साथ साथ जाता है, तो आज आगे से कौन खास है आज?
आप देखिएगा. It's a surprise. It's a little bit of a surprise.
आज थोड़ा टेंशन में हैं आप, थोड़ा भागदौड़ कर रही है दिखाई दे रहा है.
No, just trying to get all the seating arrangements done correctly, and that's about all. Because the show demands a lot of looking after everybody, and looking after the clothes coming right on ramp, your model's look and everything. So just last minute preparations.
बॉलीवुड में कई सारे दोस्त थे आपके आपके कौन से दोस्त आज आपके साथ होंगे? कौन आने वाला है इसको देखने के लिए?
काफ़ी सारे लोग आ रहे हैं. Some of the directors are coming in, some artists are coming in. So I really don't know कितने लोग आ रहे हैं, क्या हो रहा है, but everybody is definitely trying to be here.
Can we expect जोरदार सर?
You need to see it.
थैंक यू. नीता, वन लास्ट क्वेश्चन. आपने बहुत इन दिनों वेट लूज किया है, क्या वजह है इसकी? कुछ खास?
I think ये मेरा 1.5 साल से I have been trying to lose weight and finally have achieved what I need to. And it's been a very gradual loss and a very, very disciplined, planned movement towards losing weight.
मगर अचानक 1.5 साल पहले ये ख्याल